Smita Soni. Currently, I am pursuing MBA from IPER Bhopal. I would like to pay my sincere thanks to IPER for giving me this opportunity to do summer internship with the Asia's largest financial product distribution, that is NZL.
I have learned how to open and manage e-wealth mutual fund accounts, which has increased my knowledge of financial products and services and improved my attention to detail and accuracy in financial process. As an intern, I have learned how to expand our network by providing various leads and value pack. I am getting more understanding about the present scenario of the market and investors' prospects. I am experiencing practical and theoretical exposure of the financial market.